Did you know that rosemary is a natural powerhouse packed with health benefits? Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help boost your immune system and improve blood circulation. It's also known to enhance memory and concentration. Rosemary supports digestion and can ease bloating and indigestion. Its antibacterial properties even help fight bad breath and improve oral health. And here's a bonus: rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth applied regularly, whether you use it in tea, cooking, or as essential oil. Rosemary is a small herb with big benefits. Follow for more easy tips on how to heal with every